Hello, welcome everyone to our channel Trailhead Ranger NJ, and we are doing this series of preparation for sales cloud consultant certification. And in this trail mix, we have completed this module in our last video, that is project management plan light. And in our next video, we'll be doing in our this video, we'll be doing this customer centric discovery strategies. So let's start with this. So in this we will be very briefly, because all are very small and 5 minutes unit and just consisting of quiz. So we'll be very briefly talking about what are the customer centric discovery, what strategies we follow and how we follow it. So let's start. And first we are talking about that to have the customer success, to have our customer succeed, we need to gain insight our customers business challenges, and then share those insight with the customers, inspire and connect with the customers, and then lead customers to new opportunities and improve how our customers should work. So they have divided it into 4 steps, that is know your customers, be your customer, connect with your customer, and the last one is create with your customer. So know your customer is nothing but get to know them, their industry, their business. And in be your customer, we need to take a walk in our customer shoots, that is by checking out their website, talking to their uh, support system or such things, or shop on their website. Then connect with your customer, we need to share those insight whatever we had discovered while being the customer, uh, to our client. And then create with your customer, we need to develop a strategy with our customer, that how we can succeed together. So let's come to the quiz. First is, what's the best reason for practicing customer centric discovery? First option is to sell more solutions to customer, no. Second is to co-create successful solutions with customer. Third is to promote what your company offers. And fourth is to partner with more account executives. So second option should be the correct one. Let's come. Second question is, which customer centric discovery step is about sharing insights with customer? First is know your customer, no. Second is be your customer, no. Third is connect with your customer, yes. And fourth is create with your customer. So C option should be the correct. Let's check. Yes, let's move on to the next unit, that is know your customers. So we have already briefly discussed that what exactly does it mean, that is know your customers. It means that we should understand our customers business, their requirements, what are their industry. So we need to how we can understand their industry, we need to analyze their industry, what are the biggest trend challenges in their industry, how those challenges will be affecting the way our industry, or connect with our consumer or customer. And what is the language of this industry? Language is not something they speak, but the key terms their business is using in this industry. So we need to know goals, values, initiatives, strategies, obstacles about the business. And then we need to know about how they are making money in their businesses, what challenges they are facing, and what are their strategic priorities. Let's come to the quiz. First question is, what's the best business focused question to ask as you research? First is, what are the biggest trends for your industry right now? Second is, who is the CEO of your business? Third is, what are the challenges your business is facing today? And fourth is, what technical terms do you use in your industry? So C option should be the correct one. Second is, what's the most useful information you can gather from key decisions maker? First is their phone number, their key priorities, their hobbies, and their shoe sizes. So B should be the correct option. Let's check. That's correct. Let's move on to the next unit. That is be your customers. So in having that, we need to be consider ourselves as our customers only. We need to identify the common ground that relate their customers to us. We need to develop a genuine interest in our customers business and look for shared experiences. We can shop on their website, by visiting their store, by signing up on their online newsletter, or calling the customer services. Okay, so let's come to the quiz. First is, how can you best express empathy to a customer? First option is say, wow, this must be tough for you. No. Second is describe a time when you helped another customer solve a similar issue. Yes. Third is suggest solutions. No. Fourth is talk about what a good system for them looks like. So B should be the correct option. Second is what's the most direct way to learn about your customer's business. First is study their processes. Second is visit a competitor's business. Third is meet with the CIO and ask more questions. Fourth is visit your customer's website to see what it's like to be a customer of theirs. So D option should be the correct. Let's check. Yes, let's move on to the next unit, that is connect with your customers. We need to connect with our customer. We need to be sincere about our thoughts or insights, whatever we had discovered by being their customers, and then follows those insights with an empathetic statement and get our customers' opinion by asking open-ended questions, that what are they exactly thinking about what we had just said, and then share a notable quote that our customer has said before. We can connect the details over the three levels, and level 1 would be tactical or technical issues, that what are the system error or missed customer calls they are having. Level 2 would be overall business consequence, like being behind in industry standards. And level 3 would be personal impact on their customers or employees, like attrition or high turnover rates. Okay, and there is a, we can all connect it on the whiteboard as well, so we can write down our ideas, brainstorm, draw diagrams, and organize them as well. So let's come to the quiz. First question is, as your customer organizes challenges they are facing, which of the following is most likely a level 3 issue? Tracking issues, website function issues, customer service issues, and distribution issues. So as you see that level 3 is personal impact on their customer or employees. So C should be the correct answer. Let's come to the second question, that is what's the most important thing to do when whiteboarding? First is memorize how many solutions they discussed. Second, find out the rank of the main priorities. Third is record the results of the whiteboard session. And fourth is translate the results of the meeting into an interpretive dance or play. So second should be the correct answer. Let's check. Okay, so I guess C, we should have been recorded. Yeah, so we should have been recorded the results of the whiteboard session, because after the meeting it could have been lost and we might not be able to track it. And we have come to the end of this module, that is last unit, create with your customers. Here we are talking about that we can create a case for change, that whatever insights we have communicated to the customer, we will be coming up with a strategy now, so we can recreate our customer stories, that first of all what problem they are facing, how exactly it's going to impact their business, and what level of problems they are having, and how they want to measure the result of what we are doing it together. We can create a scene on the storyboarding, so that it can be understandable to them easily. So let's come to the quiz. First is, what's the most important thing to focus on when creating a case for change for your customer? First is business impact, second is storyboarding, third is competitor solutions, and fourth is scenarios he can act out. So business impact would be the correct answer. Second is, what's the best next step when creating a strategy? Talk about your main priorities, create a storyboard, review the proposed timeline, and watch the product demo. So create a storyboard should be the correct answer. Let's check. And that's how we have completed our this module, that is customer centric discovery strategies. And in our next video we'll be doing this alignment as a strategy craft. So if you like the video, please like it, subscribe the channel for more such videos, and if you have any doubt or any opinion, please let me know in the comment section. And thank you, stay tuned.